everybody, Mrs. Heisey here. Well, if you are watching this, this is the week of May 18th to the 22nd. You should be in my manufacturing class. We are actually going to make something for the next 2 weeks. So you're going to open up the assignment that's called Manufacture It. Talks a little bit about what is manufacturing. Well, it's the process of how something's made. That's what our whole class was based on, and you guys didn't get to make everything. I'm so sorry. So now I'm going to have you manufacture something at home. All right, there's some questions to kind of help you get started on the worksheet so you can look at that. Now, what can you make? I'm not wanting you to go out and buy any materials, okay? Use what you have around your house. I mean, if there's something that you're dying to make and your parents are like, yeah, let's make it together, then you can go buy the stuff. But otherwise, just use stuff you have lying around the house. Here's an example. Up north, my son made this chair. We had extra 2x4s, so I handed him a saw, a hammer, and a whole bunch of nails, and I said, make something. So he made himself a nice little chair, okay, 8 years old when he did this, and he sits on it and roasts marshmallows around the fire. That's a great example of he made something, all right? Mrs. Meyer, those of you that know her from the foods class, made me this lovely little mask, but she did such a wonderful job. She put this extra string so I can tighten it, or it can go around my ears if I wanted. She made a nice little hole inside of here, so if I wanted to put some paper towel or something like that to make it extra, you know, keeping all the germs and stuff away, I can. So Mrs. Meyer manufactured this. Something that I manufactured was, in my she shed that I'm in, is this table right here on wheels, so I can move it around in my shed and stuff like that. You know, it doesn't have to be something big. It can be used out of recycled material around your house, anything you want. So go look at the assignment. There's some examples that I just showed you. I can't wait to see what you guys make. Have a great day.